Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. This is a pretty unpleasant situation, but there is no need to panic. If a ring gets stuck on your finger and it starts to swell, you need to act quickly but carefully. I'll show you a few tried and true methods from the simplest to the most effective. Let's try the simplest option first. For this, we need cold. You can put your hand in cold water or apply ice for a couple of minutes. Cold constricts blood vessels and reduces swelling slightly. Next, raise your hand above heart level and hold it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps reduce blood flow to the finger. Now we add sleep. Apply something slippery to your finger: soap, shampoo, cream, Vaseline, or even vegetable oil. And an important point: do not pull the ring sharply, but carefully twist it, gradually moving it towards the joint. Method 2. If the ring does not pass through the joint, this method really helps. Take a thin, strong thread. Dental floss is ideal. We push one end under the ring. Now we begin to tightly wrap the long end around the finger above the ring. After this, we take the short end of the thread and begin to slowly unwind it. The thread will rise up and literally push the ring through the joint. If you don't have dental floss, you can use regular tape or cling film. Wrap your finger tightly over the ring. This compresses the soft tissue and makes the surface smoother. Then try to carefully remove the ring. Please note the following: do not tug on the ring. This will only increase swelling and may damage the skin. Be sure to monitor your finger. If it becomes very blue, numb, or cold, do not continue experimenting. If none of these methods help within 15 to 20 minutes and the swelling continues to increase, it is best to go to the emergency room immediately. There, the ring will be carefully cut with a special tool. This is much safer than trying to remove it by force. Save this video, it might really come in handy one day, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.